for a moment of an object. Whatever you think of can probably be made through 3D printing. The human capacity to create is infinite. We're able to replicate many things found in nature, like the nest that the wasp builds out of mud, layer by layer, using a painstakingly perfect technique. Additive manufacturing is a technique where layer after layer of material is laid to make seamless objects whose shape and geometric characteristics cannot be manufactured using any other method. Different technologies and multiple materials have burst into the industry. 3D printing can be used to print small domestic objects in the home, avoiding stockpiling of parts, fostering the recycling of materials in line with the concept of the circular economy. We have moved from buying to producing. This is a new paradigm for a manufacturing system. For 3 years, the SAMT Sudoe Interreg Europe project has promoted additive manufacturing and advanced materials technologies in Southwest Europe. This has been made possible through the collaboration of 5 organizations from Spain, Portugal, and France. SAMT Sudoe has developed a roadmap, a collaborative platform, educational material on additive manufacturing, advanced materials, and demonstrators to foster synergies between companies, clusters, research and education centers, public organizations and governments. It's through training and knowledge that these technologies can be integrated into the production network. Following the emergence of stereolithography over 30 years ago, a technique that used ultraviolet light to cure resin, other technologies have been developed using lasers, electron beams, plastic and metal microdrop projection and plastic filament extrusion, along with other recent techniques. If the technologies are fundamental, then new materials will play a decisive role, as in the case of intelligent materials which change under stimuli, giving life to inert objects. New polymers, metal powders, compounds, and recycled materials, as well as traditional materials such as ceramic, paper, wood, concrete, and others emerging from research. All of these materials have come on the scene to offer solutions to new challenges. These applications will serve sectors such as medicine, habitat, aeronautics, and aerospace, fostering significant developments with a view to survival in space and space colonization. Prototypes, molds, one-off and complex pieces for airplanes and satellites, jewelry, lamps, furniture, bridges, footwear, toys, automobiles, clothing, eyeglasses, housing, food, prosthetics, and the amazing technique of tissue bioprinting. An infinite list of applications and custom products that are silently changing our lives, marching into an automated future thanks to the emergence of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. The European Union promotes laws on 3D printing and, together with international standards, regulate the control and quality of this new manufacturing technology, which is part of the 4th Industrial Revolution.